Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of the BMW 635 CSI. Yeah, there's not much to say about this other than the fact that it was a pretty hard find. I knew this was out and the case is rather recent where I am, but it's just the fact that real cars really rarely come at places that sell at retail. They usually go through resellers. So I was lucky enough to find this at retail at a 7-Eleven, where I was just I'm not shopping for anything else. I was just actually looking for Hot Wheels. But after store of fantasy cars, I landed on this. Beside it was Fast and Furious, El Camino, and Mercury Cyclone, I believe. I didn't get those because I could get them online just as easily, and they didn't really pique my interest. The El Camino especially, I know it's new to the main line, but it didn't really look anything like the one in the movie, so I just kind of passed on it. Yeah, enough yapping, let's just cut right into it. Woohoo! Like previous, let's just take care not to cut my finger here. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm cutting these cards because I do plan on keeping them, mostly because of the like the licensing details and just the amazing art on here, that if you throw away, like, you'll never be able to see it again other than in the Hot Wheels wiki. But you know, I have the chance here, so why not keep it? Let's get it out. Right, the car here is nothing special, just the art here. Yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. Wow, that looks amazing. When I picked this up, I honestly thought it was a gloss black, like a non-metallic black, but as you can see here from the reflections, this is a metal flake black, and it just looks so gorgeous, especially under the sunlight. It just glitters and shines despite being a black car. It's let me put it down just to show you guys how it looked like without my hands. And yeah, let's do a walk around here. Starting from the front, here you can see, I don't believe it is quite obvious, but that is the headlights are a acrylic insert. It might be more obvious in future versions where the body is not black, but that is acrylic, and so is the taillights. They're not molded in with the metal, so I believe this would be a good choice to do like an LED mod, assuming that you can find it, you know, rather than paying a reseller, because that's steep. Okay, let's start from the front. Some sponsor decals here, BMW logo and the number. Side here, same thing. I believe these are the designers' names. You have Brian Z here for Brian Zhao, and Andreas. I believe he's the decal designer. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong here, but that's them. And then D. Lopez. Oh, that's on the roof. Goddamn. Yeah, Daniel L. actually. It doesn't. I'm reading the wiki here, and they got it wrong. It actually says Daniel L. rather than D. Lopez, and Andreas A. rather than A. Andrew. So yeah, that's something worth noting there. Wheels are. Oh, I forgot the name of this. L4 Gold. They look amazing. There's a Hot Wheels decal here. The top, sunroof, The sunroof is metal though. It's not an acrylic insert there. And the names of the designers here again. 35. And at the back, like I mentioned previously, acrylic inserts for the taillights, but unfortunately no BMW logo. But there is a spot for it. There's a divot here. Let me show you here. There's a spot right here. But like, you can probably put a tampon on there of your own, but yeah, that's unfortunate. Good place for license plate there too, if you want to mod it. Something I forgot to mention is that this car is metal on plastic. And looking at the base here, there's some base detailing. This is the exhaust here. Yeah, man, this car looks amazing. I can't get over the shine and glitter. Just amazing. Anyway, let's wait to see how heavy it is. Oh, pretty lightweight, 32 grams. And yeah, I believe there's not much I want to talk about this. I do want to bring in some negativity about scalpers, but I don't think that's the energy I want to bring here. Yeah, this is a really good car if you can find it at retail. Oh wow, I just noticed this. This is a chrome insert here. There's another piece of plastic. It's like differently colored. You see? Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, right. Would recommend that you get it if you can. So yeah, let me set up the turntable here right quick so I can see it without my hands. Yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know if you have some cars that you want to see that I could show. And yeah, thank you for spending your time with me. Bye bye.